One of the great things about owning an F-Type is the 3-litre V6 supercharged engine, and the sound you get from it is just absolutely unbelievable. When you've got the roof down, you don't get a sound like this from any other car. An amazing sound, such a fun car to drive. You get all the little pops, the crackles, you get the growl, and you get the roar. Such a beautiful, beautiful car. Something which I've been wanting to get for quite some time. Now I finally have one. Hopefully the weather gets better and get some more days where we can get the roof down. And let's find some bridges as well. Here's one just here. Let's see if we can wow. Just makes you giggle, makes you laugh, brings back fun.